Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Dictation for Punjab and Haryana Court. Previous year 2018 400 वर्ड्स @100 वर्ड पर मिनट। और इसकी आपको PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएंगी, जो आप वहाँ पे डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। अनदर 2 judge bench of this court while treating writ petition as a leading petition directed that other petitions that are pending in the High Court or which may be filed thereafter shall remain stayed till further orders of this court. The parties have exchanged the relevant pleadings, which are all brought on record, supported by documents on which they rely. It appears that earlier, when these groups of matters reached final hearing, in the light of what transpired in the court, then a bench of this court adjourned these proceedings to enable the Bar Council of India take a fresh decision in the matter. In the light of its decision take in the earlier meetings regarding suitable modification of the impugned rules, it appears that ultimately before the bench of 3 learned judges, learned senior counsel place a copy of the mentioned the earlier resolution by which the impugned rules were amended. It is therefore that this group of matters reached for final hearing before us. We therefore have to examine the legality and validity of the impugned rules as amended by the resolution of the Bar Council of India. We may briefly mention the rival contentions submitted for our consideration. Learned counsel as well as learned senior advocate on behalf of other writ petitioners, learned senior counsel for the Bar Council of India, which is the author of the impugned rules, in support of their respective cases. Learned counsel for the petitioners submitted tracing the history of the relevant provisions of the Act and the rules, that there is no power with the Bar Council of India to frame the impugned rules, that the Act lays down the statutory functions of the Bar Council of India. The provisions thereof do not entitle the Bar Council of India to frame such impugned rules prescribing a condition before enrollment of an applicant as an advocate under the Act by requiring him to undergo enrollment, training and apprenticeship as laid down under the impugned rules. It was also submitted that the Act also was not available to the Bar Council for India to frame such rules. As a sequel, it was submitted that rule making power of the Bar Council of India could not be pressed in service by it in support of the state. Full stop.